Choosing the display of your computer involves more than just choosing a size. You need to consider resolution, if it's a touchscreen, and if your computer is a tablet, laptop, or two-in-one. Let's discuss each of the options. Screen size is how big the display is on the computer. Like a TV, the size is measured diagonally, with 12 to 15 inches being the most common sizes. The larger the display, the larger and heavier the device will be. A larger display makes it easier to view multiple windows at the same time, while a smaller one can help make your device light and ultra-portable. The resolution tells you how sharp the display is. It's measured horizontally and vertically in pixels. The more pixels you have, the sharper everything will be. There are two common resolutions you'll see. Full High Definition, or HD, is 1920 by 1080. 4K, sometimes called Ultra HD, is 3840 by 2160. These are both 16 by 9 aspect ratios. Some computers, like the Surface series, use a 3 by 2 ratio. You'll also want to decide if you want a touchscreen. Most PC laptops are touchscreens. Some touchscreens also have digital pen support, which lets you write on your computer like it's a piece of paper. This leads to your last choice, which is form factor. Besides the standard laptop, there are two other options you could consider. First, there's the tablet. This is great if you need a computer that you can write on frequently, and you can always attach a keyboard for typing. Second, there's the two-in-one. This looks like a normal laptop, but can fold itself into a tablet or spin its screen around, which makes it easier to read, write, or draw on. Hope this helps.